This 2023 Nexus Rebel 30R is a Super CRV. It is located in Buford, Georgia, 30519 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV North Atlanta. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Nexus is 30 feet 0 inches in length and features sleep 7, Slideout, and 85 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Super C features bunk over cab, rear bedroom. This 2023 Nexus Rebel 30R is built on an international chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.